Is Melly behind the couch?
Where's Melody?
She under Daddy's desk? She under the blanket? No. Where's Melody? Are you in there, Melody?
No.
Melody? Are you in the TV? There you are.
We found her.
What are you doing?
No, I'm hiding.
Ellie? Hey. Hi. What are you doing?
I'm hiding.
Are you hiding? Are you going to come out now?
No, I'm hiding.
Come give me a glove. Get out of there.
No, I'm just hiding.
What are you wearing?
Huh?
What are you wearing? Oh, don't do that. Hey.
Don't fall.
What are you doing? Stop it.
You dump all those movies out.
Roar. You an elephant?
Yes, I'm an elephant. You make an elephant noise?
Don't do that to Daddy's TV.